In the name of God, the most merciful and the most compassionate. Hi everyone, how you doing? The Son and I bid you a warm welcome filled with hopes and dreams. Beauty secrets, useful beauty tricks. Secret 1. Good breath. If your mouth smells good, you become beautiful. If your mouth smells bad, you become ugly. Inhale the future, exhale the past. Most bad breath starts in your mouth, and there are many possible causes. They include the breakdown of food particles, onions, garlic, spices, tobacco products, smoking. Smoking is the main source of bad breath. Alcohol, poor dental hygiene. If you don't brush and floss daily, food particles remain in your mouth causing bad breath. Your tongue. Your tongue can trap bacteria that produce odors. Dry mouth, coffee. A bad mood is like bad breath. Both are wrong to inflict on others. What can give you good breath? Brush your teeth after you eat. Keep a toothbrush at work to use after eating. Floss at least once a day. Brush your tongue. Clean dentures or dental appliances. Avoid dry mouth. Adjust your diet. Regularly get a new toothbrush. Good breath captivates us much. What naturally makes your breath smell better? Drinking water promotes the production of saliva. Saliva helps cleanse your mouth, removing particles that cause bad odor. Fruits and vegetables help freshen your breath. Oranges help increase saliva production to fight bad breath. Hello, fruits. Fruits protect against cancer and other diseases. How can you make your breath smell good all day? Salt water can fight off bad breath by removing any food debris in the mouth and removing the unpleasant smell. Ginger is good for your teeth and gum. You can also add some lemon juice to water and cinnamon and use it as a mouthwash. A smile is the best makeup any girl can wear. Secret 2. Drink water. Water prevents the skin from looking dull and saggy. Water keeps your body hydrated and refreshed. It helps maintain your skin's flexibility. People who drink large amounts of water are less to suffer from scars and wrinkles. Water is the driving force of all nature. Water boosts skin health and beauty. Secret 3. It's important to protect your skin from the sun. It's important to protect your skin from too much exposure to the sun's ultraviolet rays, which can lead to skin cancer, skin damage, and aging and eye injury. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live in. Secret 4. Treat your hands and neck like your face. Take care of your neck and decolletage over time. Stop looking down at your phone so much. Don't forget to exfoliate. What you eat affects your appearance. Secret 5. Exercise makes you beautiful. Exercise not only helps you live longer, it helps you live better. If you don't make time for exercise, you will have to make time for illness. Secret 6. Eat right. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables. But what are some specific foods that give your skin a glow? blueberries, strawberries, tomatoes, avocados, oranges, bananas, apples, broccoli, olive oil, salmon, kale, carrots, sweet potatoes, nuts. Fruits make you beautiful. Why should we avoid salt, sugar, white bread, and smoking? Too much sugar can cause obesity and diabetes. Salt can cause high blood pressure, heart failure, heart attack, and stroke. White bread can contribute to obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. Smoking damages the heart and the circulation of blood. Because of your smile, you make life more beautiful. Secret 7, feel good. Do things that make you feel great about yourself. What are the things that make you feel good about yourself? Get rid of toxic people. Practice gratitude. Forgive yourself. Perform acts of kindness. Use the power of positive self talk. Eat healthy. Adopt a dog and pamper yourself. Think of things you are good at and set some goals. It's wise to be dispassionate about critical comments. Learn to respond instead of reacting and don't show your ire. Peace begins with a smile. Secret 8, be influential. Influential people dedicate time to helping others. Helping others give you a sense of purpose. Silence and smiles are two powerful tools. Outer beauty attracts, but inner beauty captivates. I have surrendered to the Lord of the Worlds. Break a leg, Sayyid Abul Mak.